Hi, welcome to HomeKit News and Reviews. My name's Simon and this is our very first kind of product review, as it were. And the product in question is the Aqara Smart Plug, part of the new range that they're bringing out now. And if you've ever bought an Aqara product in the past, you'll probably remember the very kind of flimsy, nondescript packaging. Well, I'm glad to say that they've really stepped up their game in this particular instance, because the packaging is absolutely lovely. Full colour print, quite sturdy. On the inside you get like a little, what should we say, like a welcome card, which is quite a nice touch really. And looking at the plug itself, you can see that it's kind of housed quite securely, which never was the case before. So it really is a massive difference really. Looking at the smart plug itself, first impressions, pretty sturdy if I'm honest. Feels quite chunky and solid and got a nice kind of weight to it. Going back into the packaging, the one thing we've got here now, this is another change, is that this is a kind of a multi-language manual, if you need such a thing. Previously to this, you would only really get an instruction manual in Mandarin, which is fine if you could read Mandarin, but I certainly can't, so it was never of any use to me. So this is a welcome change in that regard, and also another indicator of their kind of international ambitions, I guess you would say. The plug itself, 47 by 67 by 35, pretty decent size. It's got an LED light, it's a North American plug. In comparison to other plugs, I mean, I've got one other plug here that is kind of similar in terms of dimensions, and this is the iDevices switch. So sort of similar in terms of all its overall dimensions. There's a couple of differences, the LED light and where the socket is positioned, but overall it's kind of pretty similar. So onto the installation, which is very straightforward. You simply need the Aqara hub and the Aqara app. In the app you just select the device you're going to install, which is the smart plug in this case, and you follow the instructions.
Ready to connect to child devices.
And as you've probably heard just now, the Aqara hub is waiting for you to kind of pair the device. So all you do is hold the button down and just follow the instructions, basically waiting for the LED to kind of give some indication. The hub will then eventually...
Child device connected.
There we go. Then it eventually just lets you know that the pairing was successful, and then you're just left to basically name the device. I'm going to name it Aqara Plug, very straightforward. And then you choose the room that it's going to be located in this case the dining room, and then you're all set really. So just taking a look at the smart plug itself, as you can see in the Aqara app, is very straightforward, on and off. And once again, if we look in the Apple Home app, same again, really very responsive. So summing up the Aqara Smart Plug, what's it got going for it? Well, it's part of this brand new line of Aqara products. So it works with HomeKit, although you do need the hub. It's quite a powerful device, so it's kind of high wattage capacity, 1875 watts, but most importantly for me at least, it uses Zigbee, which kind of gives me more reliability, more efficiency and seemingly better speed. So on top of the fact that it's quite cheap, assuming you've got the Aqara hub already, this is a little bit of a no-brainer. However, if you want to check out the full review on our website, please go to homekitnews.com and you can read more details if you wish. Thanks again. See you soon.